Okay, this is a 1979 Yamaha XS 1100 special, and I had a question to ask about. I'm hearing like a knocking noise. I don't think it's a rod knocking. It may be a valve, or maybe it's not firing on one of the cylinders. But once I get at high speeds, it goes away, or at least you can't hear it. And the motorcycle only has about 11,000, close to 11,000 original miles on it. It's a 79. It's just been sitting a long time, and anyway, I'll start it up, and that way maybe some mechanic out there can tell me what it might be. I don't know if you can hear that noise. But I had somebody scope it. And anyway, he wasn't sure. He said he'd have to get into it further, but if anybody can give me an idea, I certainly would appreciate it. Thank you.